Yeah, Dr. Brand, this is actually the structural case, RSOV closure which we could not transmit in the last session due to technical snag. We'll just brief you what we did, and followed by this we'll be showing you the coronary case. We'll just take 5 minutes to show what happened here. I know this is a coronary hall, but this is a structural case. Probably we'll just present it for 5 minutes by the time the other lab is ready. Dr. Jairangnath is here. He will just tell you, give you the case details followed by what we did.
So this is a case of a 48-year-old man with symptoms of 1 year. Clinically he had a continuous murmur. Next. This is the ECG. Next. This is the X-ray. Next. This is the echo diagnosis of RSOV into the RV. RV, it is more towards the RV inflow. Next. We had some TE pictures, nice TE pictures. You could see the aorta there. From the right coronary cusp, it is entering to the RV. It is measuring around 10 to 11 millimeter on the echocardiography, transvisible echocardiography. Next. Yeah, we did the angiogram. This is the AP projection. You could see the opacification of the PA. It's a fairly large RSOV into the RV inflow. Next. You could see into the wind sac opening into the RVOT. Next. This is the LAO view. We take 2 to 3 projections to see how it looks like in various projections. Next. Yeah, this is measuring the PA pressure. PA pressure is 100, the systemic pressure is 100, PA pressure was 50, systemic pressure is 100, off systemic PA pressure. Next. So it is crossing from the aortic end is always mandatory. We cannot cross from the venous end, as you know that. Then we snared it. This is from the PA snaring, but always remember that, especially if they are entering into the RV inflow, the loop doesn't get formed properly, so we had some difficulty in putting a sheath and all that. So best is to go to the, we re-snared it SVC. Once again to the SVC. Even here also you could see that, yeah, once again we recrossed it. We should not have any kind of a kinking or a bend, hair loop bend. It should be straight. Next. This is snaring into the SVC. It's definitely better all the time to either enter the SVC or IVC and snare it rather than into the PA, because it is difficult to pass the sheaths. Next. This is the sheath going there. We had initially some difficulty in putting the sheath because it takes an acute angle, because it has to enter the tricuspid valve. Immediately it has to take a turn.
Go slow.
Yeah. The sheath is in the descending aorta.
Any comments you can ask them.
So initially we measured around 10 millimeter, 11 millimeter. We oversized by, angiographically we were measuring around 12 to 14 millimeter the aortic end. This is a 14 by 12 device. ADO1. It's a LifeTech occluder. Next.
What is the ideal way
to not sitting properly. We release the other disc. There is no ideal way. I think we more go by the TE is very, very important, of course. And the angio, we as a protocol here in our institute, we go by the angio. See, what the whole idea of putting the device isn't we have to buttress the aortic area, aortic cusp. That is a very, very important thing. We cannot put these devices into the wind sac, because wind sac has no support. Wind sac support. Almost
should sit in the coronary
in sinus. We have to basically hold that area tightly. Next. This is a 14-foot device. You see what happens. It's sucked into the wind sac. So we probably, our measurement was wrong. It is a 14 by 12. So this is not the way. It will come out definitely embolized. So we did not release the device. We retrieved it back. We redid the whole thing once again. We wanted to upsize to 16 by 14. We went back to the angiography. We measured it. At the aortic side, it was measuring around 14 millimeter.
You think 3D TE will be helpful in sizing or better delineating the lesion defect?
Definitely. It will help. Though we don't have much experience though we have done about 45-50 RSOVs, we have not used the 3D in majority of the cases. 3D will help. You are right about that. Next. So we upsize to the 16 by 14. 16 means, please remember that 16 plus we have to add 2 plus 2 on the either side. That comes to 20 millimeter.
This is again ADO 2.
ADO 1, ADO 1.
ADO
ADO
1.
2 only comes up to maximum size of 6 millimeter. So this is a 16 by 14
ADO 1.
Amplatzer type LifeTech ductor occluder. ADO 1. You could see there we have just kept the wire there, still we didn't want to lose the access in case if even this is having some difficulty in positioning that. Next. So this is okay. With mild AR is there. Mild AR was there even before we started the procedure. Next.
Next.
This is in the LA, it looks like this. We're quite happy on the transesophageal echocardiography. It was buttressing the aortic. Can you show the echocardiography now?
Just
Yeah.
show the,
Show the echo.
yeah. It is sitting well.
It's sitting well. Are you seeing the device?
There is mild aortic regurgitation with,
2 is not available in this size.
yeah, sinuses are dead.
ADO 1 is not available in this size. ADO 2 is very, very small, very small. It's only available only 6 millimeter. See here actually we have two options. Either you could use this or you could use a muscular VSD occluder. Next. So go back to the fluoro. We were quite satisfied with the echocardiography. Then we released the device. Next.
Next. Next.
Next. Yeah, this is the final angiography. It has caught the diseased part of the aortic sinus. This is very, very important in closure of the RSOVs. We have to take the control of the proximal part. Yeah, show the echo now, show the echo.
That's the same what we showed there.
Echo, you could see that it is nicely, snugly sitting there.
That's it.
Yeah,
It's over. Yeah.
okay. So this is the last picture. Anything?
Yeah, we are done with this presentation. The other lab, there is a technical snag. Probably once we have corrected that, we'll get back to you. If there is any discussion, we could go take it forward now.
Just wanted
If you
to
have
know
any
which
questions,
wire was
comments, anything?
Which wire was kept across the device?
That's a thermo, that's a 3-2 thermo wire.
All right. And you took the wire before
Yeah.
before deploying the
You could keep any wire.
before deploying the distal.
Yes,
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 yes.
yes, that's important. You have
And
to
you
do
released after removing the wire.
proximal, both
Correct.
distal and proximal.
So you deployed both the discs.
Yes,
released
yes,
the
yes,
wire,
yes,
and then
yes.
probably released it. Is it like that?
Yes,
Release the device.
yes, yes, yeah. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Dr. Srinivas, we have time, satellite time up to 5 o'clock actually. So what do you want us to do? You tell me. Because if there's a snag in the other lab. what
Yeah,
do
I
you
know.
want us to
Maybe
do?
what you can do is maybe you can go back to the other center
Yeah, we'll go back
for some
and
time.
then- But,
You can
the
go back to the
satellite-
other center for a while. Once we are,
Yeah, but the
yeah,
satellite time is only
we'll
up
communicate
to
to you
5
once we are ready with the other.
Satellite time is only up to 5, so we have to, I don't know, we have to just probably take some introductions and all that. And we'll have to disconnect after that.
This is the angiographic picture. There was a distal left main, and then there was involvement of the ostium of the LAD, about 80% lesion. It was a left main trifurcation. We planned for the PCI of the left main into LAD. That was the. Okay.
So,
adrenaline flash.
it-
Okay, you take over.
So it's a left, the plan was to go ahead and put a stent from left main to LAD, for which we did the IVS before going ahead. Can we show the IVS?
Have we pulled it back? Have we pulled it back?
Can you show the IVS? So IVUS, the LED size is 4 millimeter, and left main is 4.5.
Ask him to start
Ostium of the
before
left
that.
ostium of the ramus is okay without any disease. So
You could-
pressure is fine.
Okay. You continue, you continue.
Okay, so depending on the IVUS finding, we have taken the EBU 3.57F guide, wire the both LED and ramus, and then we were waiting for you to come live. In between, the patient had a slow flow and rather no flow across the left coronary system. He got deteriorated hemodynamically, for we started inotropic support. Next view, please. So this is the wire which we did put across the LED. Next view, please.
RCA is normal in this.
Next view, please. This is the IVUS catheter across the LED. Next. And here is the problem started. Patient started deteriorating. We did give intracoronary adrenaline. Patient presently is fine, and this is what the result is. We have given intracoronary eptifibatide. Next view. And then hurriedly we went ahead. It's been dilated with 3 millimeter balloon, 3 millimeter balloon from left main to LED, and then stented with 4 into 28 millimeter stent. Next view, please.
Which stent?
Next view, please. And this is what?
And-
So ramus got occluded.
This was Science Prime.
It's a 4 into 28 Giants prime. So then we rewired the ramus, remove the trapped wire from the ramus and dilated with 2.5 millimeter balloon. Next view, please. And
And proximal
here we did the
optimal.
pot hurriedly with 4.5 millimeter balloon. Next.
We are not
Okay.
taken yet. So,
this
here
is
we are
after
now.
4.5. Here
You can-
we are. Just now the blood pressure is
You can-
117. Heart rate is 123.
Okay, now give me sodium nitroprusside. I show the fluoro, please. Fluoro, please. Take it inside.
Just hold on. Just.
Take it inside. Take it inside quickly. Okay. Okay, engaged.
Just hold. Just hold.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay, engaged.
Okay, engage.
Okay, SNP. You have to engage a bit more
Yeah.
because otherwise it will not go in.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, this is where we are now. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Should we take the CD?
Okay, we will take a second.
So
Okay.
let's go.
Okay.
So this is what.
Okay, there is a.
So there is a good flow across left main to LED. Can we
Good.
run it? Can we run it? So LED good flow across,
We will tap
and the left ramus is having a disease, rather thrombus over there. So what's your opinion?
Now you have, I don't think you have a choice.
Which is the LED.
You,
Yeah,
you
we
have to
will
do
check it.
something
We
to
will
the
check it.
circumflex.
Any comment?
Yeah, we don't have a choice. I think we will go ahead.
I think you.
What size and what
choice is now
length?
limited.
That's the issue. But
3.5. Let's go ahead for it.
What is your plan?
3.5, 28. We'll
3.5,
just cover all the way till there. Okay.
I think 3.5, 18. It's a double mag.
Yeah, double.
Want to actually you can put it and kiss actually.
Yeah.
Try.
Yes. 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 Anyway, the two. Okay. No, we have. No. Get the stent quickly.
Get the sun.
328 should be fine. I think
No,
we
no,
will
it's too
cover
long.
the. No, it will cover the entire length of that. Yeah.
No. Do you want to go to ostium or?
Do you want to take such a
have to
long
cover till
stent?
the ostium.
You think that
Ostium
there's a
of the
lesion
LCS, no?
lower down?
Yes.
Dr. Rajesh?
Dr. Hiremat, yeah, because if you see the clot, you can see the clot all the way till the, about 22, 24 millimeters from the ostium. Can you see that? I think we should trap it.
I can see the plaque, but I don't think.
Don't you think so?
Every plaque doesn't need to be covered. If you look at it in another view also, you may look at it in some view and see. The reason I'm saying that is that the longer stent that you try to put in,
Okay, fine. Let's go.
the more difficulty you may have to
No, we'll
cross.
take it, we'll take it. Yeah, I think we are going ahead and stenting.
328.
If you can look at it in
No.
another view and then make your decision.
Okay, give me the 4 millimeter balloon for the left main. Now what wire?
go ahead,
Can you
go
show
ahead,
me?
go ahead, this
This is the
wire.
wire?
Yeah.
Once you push the stand, you
Okay.
take one balloon into the left hand.
Left.
Okay, you go
So now we are going with 3 into 28?
328.
328 across the ostium of the ramus. As you know, we have already dilated with 2.5 millimeter balloon, so easy to track the another stent, and this is going to be the tap
Okay, get me a balloon for the left main,
balloon.
4 millimeter.
We have already taken 7F guide,
This is the
so
LED.
go ahead.
Obviously, we'll have.
Presently, the blood pressure is 125, systolic. Hemodynamic patient is stable, conscious. What's the size of balloon?
4.5, 4.58. It's okay, it's okay. It is 5 millimeter actually. Are you finding it difficult?
Yes, that's.
Mohan, 4.
Yes, I am holding both the one. Yeah, it's going.
Okay. Uh,
So now we are there with the 4.5? 4.5 balloon
six.
across left main to LED, and
this is left main. Oh, okay. Okay.
so
Go stand boost,
stand boost.
somewhere back in that stand.
Okay. Is it okay?
No.
Yeah, and just
Enough.
small.
Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now it's
No,
Why
it's
you
fine.
taken such a
Shell, can you
small
close it?
balloon
Can you
for
close
LED?
it?
You could have taken some
Floor
longer
off.
balloon.
boost.
No, you have too much.
It went, came back.
Actually, you give me a 4 into 15 balloon quickly, Mohan. We'll take out the short. Did have given a short balloon, Vijay?
Very difficult to position this small balloon.
No, not that. You told it.
No, it came out.
That's okay.
Okay. That's fine, sir. That's fine.
That's fine.
No, you come back. You come back, Vijay.
Okay, fine. Is it
Come
okay?
back. Okay, 1 more millimeter. Okay, that's
That's
fine.
fine.
No. One boost.
Stand boost, please.
Now you take it.
Should I take the cine?
Yeah, Cine you take.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay.
I think this seems to be fine.
Wait.
This is the stent. Okay, we will go up here.
No, see, 1 millimeter back, I think.
Okay, should I?
It is not inside.
Half a millimeter. Enough, I think. That is enough. No, not that.
It's fine. It's
Okay,
fine.
fine,
It's fine.
fine.
It's
Now
fine.
let's do- go
Cine?
ahead.
Okay, you take. Okay. Okay,
Go ahead.
Madi.
you do it. Okay.
Do it.
Go to 7, 8.
10. Negative. Okay.
Down.
Negative.
Now you just.
Why did you inflate the balloon in the LED?
No, pressures have dropped. Adrenaline flush. Adrenaline flush.
You don't need to do that.
That's right.
Okay, wait.
Dr. Rajesh,
Wire.
Yeah, I've disengaged now. A patient was unstable, so we are just disengaging the guide and giving him some time.
I agree, but you know, I thought
Now
that
just
you
check
just
the
need to
wires.
keep the balloon in the LED
Holding the
and
wire.
inflate the
Pressure.
circumflex
Open
tent,
Can we
and then
remove
you
the
pull both
wire?
back
Another
slightly, and
Okay.
then do a final balloon inflation. In that way,
What
you
you
do
do,
not
you just
because
close
if
the
you
hub
inflate
and
the
you
LED
check the
balloon at the
pressure
same
as
time,
now.
you're actually pushing the stent balloon down, and you're not performing
Pressure
a
I'm
proper
giving.
tap. You just keep the balloon there
So
and you
pressure-
inflate.
Okay, pressures are fine. He is stabilized now. Okay, what we will? It's okay. It's okay.
One
okay.
of the wires is out. Okay.
Slightly. Okay, you go. Good. That's the best way to go, actually. Now we can. Yeah, we will do it.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So presently the patient is hemodynamically stable. Let's go for the cine.
Okay. Okay. Now. Okay.
Okay.
So okay.
So any comment, any suggestion?
It's a good result. It's a difficult case. Hemodynamically, patient was
Yeah.
struggling at one point
Yeah.
in time. There may be some thrombus still over there, but that's okay. You
Yeah.
can give medication and keep this patient on good.
Yeah, in the
antibiotics.
LED. Yeah, that's right. We will do. We will.
You can keep him on glycoprotein 2B3 inhibitors, I think, for some period of time, because
Yes.
yeah, but it needs to go on for at least
Yeah.
12 to 24 hours, maybe 24 hours in this patient. Maybe we'll use prasugrel or Brilinta in this patient because of the DAPT. My only point was, I don't know, you all may not have heard me at that time, because you all
voice
were,
is not
I thought that the LED balloon, Dr. Rajesh, can you hear
No,
me?
it is. They are speaking.
The LED balloon and
Yes,
the,
I am not able to hear you
may
properly.
not have been inflated at the same time.
Okay, I think we can move over from there. Thank you, Dr. Rajesh. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. It was a good
case.
It was a good case.
Good result.
Thank you.
finally.
Good
Thank you
result
very
in
much.
the end.
Thank you
Big
so much.
round of
Thank you.
applause, please.